Tom Duncan, a very good friend of mine in Tasmania, Australia, has challenged me to a bridges challenge.
Welcome to this beautiful sunny spring morning, and I've got a little challenge to give to a good friend of mine, a vlogging friend, Rachel Lerch, and this little challenge, we can't do anything on seasons because you've got fall and we've got spring, so what I thought is something a little bit different. There's an area that I really want to go to and I haven't done a vlog there, so it'll be interesting. But this one is to find something, or to find a bridge and shoot a bridge, but it's a bridge that's got to be different, not the normal run-of-the-mill car bridge. This is something different, so I've got something in mind, and it'd be nice if you got something indeed. So I give you the challenge. Rachel, would you like to come and join me on this little trip?
So a bridges challenge. This is so interesting. I have searched all over the internet for lots of different types of bridges that are in my area, and unfortunately a lot of them are a bit of a distance, and today I don't have that kind of time. So I have decided to go back to a bridge that I have been to many times before, but I did run this by Tom and he said that's okay, but it has to be different. So this will be my challenge today. Now I have a feeling that it's going to be actually very slow getting to the bridge because today there is this mist in the air, a fog, and it's making everything look so magical. So I'm stopping along the way, and when I get to the bridge, I'm hoping that I will be able to get a little bit downstream to be able to capture the bridge from a different angle. What a gorgeous day. I'm so excited about this. I have never seen this waterfall look like this. So, I mean, the waterfall is fabulous. It's always been here and it's fantastic. I've taken pictures of it before. I've even had pictures of it when it was frozen. However, today there's a mist and it's giving it this mood. And right at the bottom of the waterfall are these leaves that are swirling. So I'm so excited. I've got ISO 50. I could put on my neutral density filter, but it's dark enough today that I don't need to do that to get a long exposure. ISO 50, f22, and again, that's for two reasons. One, sharpness from front to back, and two, it'll give me an even longer exposure, which will help the leaves in the front to really swirl. And it's giving me 15 seconds. I love it. Woo! So I'm on the Shadok Radial Trail, and there are all of these steep rock overhangs and cliffs, and not like huge cliffs, but just beautiful, and beautiful fall colors here. Like I said, there's a mist, and everything just looks so magical. I have never seen a cloud inversion like this in my area. This is amazing. Okay, fence here, not gonna go over. However, I have to capture this shot. Wow. As I was setting up my camera, the cloud inversion that I saw is just gone. Now it's just all fog, so that's okay. I'm still trying a picture or two, but it's not quite as I'd first pictured. Ooh, you really gotta be quick on these things. All right, towards the bridge. It's already been quite a bit of time, and I still need to get down there and do your challenge, Tom. I don't think I've ever been to a more magical place. This is incredible. It is absolutely awesome. This has always been my favorite place in Hamilton, and today is just even more fantastic. Look at this. Oh. I see the bridge coming up. Now, even though this is a very beautiful nature spot, it's actually a very busy urban area all around it. So there's a lot of noise here. However, normally I can just completely ignore that because, I mean, look at this. Everything is yellow. Wow. Okay. Bridge is coming up, and I've got to think outside of the box to get something different for this challenge. Okay, I've made it to the bridge. I have no idea how I'm going to get a different perspective. I thought maybe I could go downstream and get the bridge from the side, but there's no way. This is a very steep drop on one side. And the other side, maybe it could work. There's a beautiful waterfall over there, but getting in for a good perspective from that side might be difficult as well. But this is a challenge, so I'm gonna try. Okay, I'm pleasantly surprised. I think I'm going to be able to get some interesting shots from this side of the bridge. I just love the metal geometric shape of the bridge, and there's so much beautiful fall color around it. I think this might actually work. So I'm going to put on my widest angle, my 16 to 35 lens, and then I'm just going to see, like, getting the leaves in the foreground, leaves in the background, maybe get the bridge from the side, and then I have to move over and capture this waterfall. Alright, I did it. I made it down into the middle of the stream. So the cool thing is that the waterfall is coming down and it's flowing down this beautiful path and down, but it's now just about where I am. It's going underneath the concrete pattern block that has been laid down here. So I was able to stand right in the middle without my rain boots on and not get wet. The way down was a bit slippery and treacherous, and I always, and this is my advice to you, always assume that what you're putting your foot on is going to move. So that served me well. And also there's this one long tree branch that I was able to hold on to. I will share these images with you, and most of them were f/22. I had a good 10-second long exposure, and then for some of the shots I had a maple leaf in the foreground. I'm very excited about this. Tom, this has been a great challenge. I never would have thought to come out here and do this if not for your challenge. Thanks for a fantastic challenge, Tom. I can't wait to see what your images are like. Everybody, please remember to check out Tom's channel. I love his work. In fact, it just reminds me of National Geographic. His voiceovers are awesome and his photography is really stunning. Please check out Tom's channel. Now, coming up soon, you guys know that I have the Rocky Mountains, and that is going to be fantastic. I cannot wait to post those for you. And then also, I'd like you to keep an eye out for some more stock photography videos. I've been asked to do some specific things, like how to isolate a photo on white background for stock and make it effective. So, whew, good hike. Keep an eye out for that. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks to all the new subscribers. It just blows me away. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.